From the table, we have to find the probability that a student selected at random from the class is 14 years old, less than 14 years, greater than 16 years, or between 13 and 17 years. So taking our solution, we first need to find the total students in the class. That is the sample space. So the frequency, we have the age in years and frequency. The frequency is the number of students per the ages we have over there. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, which is giving us 20 students. So there are 20 students in the class. Therefore, sample space is equal to 20. So now that we know the sample space is 20, we can take our A, which is probability of finding a student who is 14 years old. So from the table, how many of the students are 14 years old? Looking at the table, the frequency of 14 is 2. So students who are 14 years old are 2 out of the 20 students, which if I should cancel out, I will be having 1 out of 10. So students who are 14 years are 1 out of 10. Then B, that is probability of students who are less than 14 years. Less than 14 years. So looking at what we have over here, how many students are less than 14 years? We should be having 1 plus 1 plus 2, giving us 4 out of the 20. When I reduce this, I should be having 1 over 5. Then the C, probability of students who are greater than 16 years. So from the table, those students who are greater than 16 years are those who are 17, 18, and 19 years. So 5 plus 3 plus 1 gives me 9 out of 20. So 9 out of 20 students are greater than 16 years. Then D, probability of students who are between 13 and 17 years. Will be equal to, let's look for those who are between 13 and 17. So they fall within the range of 14, 15, and 16. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 gives us 7 out of 20. So this is how to deal with probability questions when you have anything in this form. You therefore use the table to do your findings, where you need to look carefully at the table and obey the kind of instruction given to you. So for our A, those who are 14 years old. When we went to the table, age 14, there were only 2 of them. So 2 out of 20 of them were 14 years. Then probability of those who are less than 14 years. Since they are less than 14 years, it means they are 13 and below. And from the table, 13 and below, which is from this side, we have 1 plus 1 plus 2, giving us 4 out of the 20. When I reduced it, I had 1 out of 5. Then probability of students who are greater than 16 years. Greater than 16 years means they are 17 and above. So looking at the table, those who are 17 years are 5, 18 are 3, and 19 is 1. That gives us 9/20. Then probability of those who are between 13 and 17. 13 and 17 means they are 14, 15, and 16. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 will give us 7 out of the 20.